Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion ngayon itong post ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Medyo may patutsada siya sa majority bloc headed by Senator Tito Soto and Senator Ping Lacson. Ito. Statement of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano on Senator Lacson's possible return as BIC chairman. Message: leave the minority out. There's really no need for Senator Lacson to drag the minority into what's clearly a family matter within the majority, as he admits his decision to step down from the Blue Ribbon Committee didn't come from the minority. It came from dissatisfaction within their own ranks. Let's not rewrite history. When Senate President Escudero and the majority first gave the chairmanship to Senator Marcoleta, the objective was clear: to keep the investigations steady above politics and focus on finding the masterminds and the most guilty. All this while untangling the web of systemic corruption in government. During that time, the majority also faced a similar situation. We were warned of a Senate coup. First, when Senator Marcoleta was elected as chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee. And second, when in leading the flood control hearings, the direction he took was towards what we all wanted: finding the most guilty and the masterminds. And so the coup did happen and a new Senate President was elected. But there was no drama, no intrigue, no blame shifting from us. Just quiet resolve. The leadership under SP Cheese made the decision, stood by it, and move forward with respect for the institution. That's how professional and mature leadership behaves when tested. And when the new majority later decided to replace Senator Marcoleta with Senator Lacson, you didn't hear a single complaint from the minority. We respected their internal decision because that's how institutions should work, with courtesy and mutual respect. We in the minority have no stake in their internal struggles. Our focus has always been on the bigger picture: truth, transparency, and integrity. Kung may tampuhan man sila sa majority, ayos lang yan. Politics will always have its share of drama. But, ito na, let's not turn the Senate into a teleserye. Yan ang mabigat. Magre-reklamo na naman sila dito. Let's not turn the Senate into a teleserye. The Blue Ribbon Committee is not about personalities. It's about serving the people and protecting the dignity of the institution. Okay, tignan natin ang people who reacted. 8,800 people who reacted, 6,300 ang nag-like, 2,300 ang nag-love, 122 lang ang tumatawa. Ibig sabihin, halos 98% pumapabor kay Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Dito ako natawa yung let's not turn the Senate into a teleserye. Parang ganito rin ang sabi ni Senator Bato nung away nila doon sa contempt na si Brian Hernandez. Huwag nating gawing non-time show ang Senado. Walang gimmick dito. So ito, may nabasa akong statement, post kanina. Sabi ni Senator Lacson na we are prepared to accept consequences of our action in case na babalik ako na maging chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee. We might lose some members of the majority bloc, and consequently, we might lose the Senate presidency. Sabi niya, ala. So, ibig sabihin pala, ito, analysis o opinion ko lang ito, yung pag-resign niya noon as Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman, maraming nagre-reklamo sa mga majority black members sa kanyang pagdadala. Kung hindi siya nag-resign, baka tuluyan ng umalis ang mga nagre-reklamong majority black members. Nag-resign ba siya para maprotektahan ang Senate presidency ni Senator Soto? Kasi sabi niya, kung babalik siya na maging chairman ulit ng BRC, may mag-aalisan. Ganun ba yun? At baka maiba na ng Senate President. Nako, teleserye nga. But anyway, kung babalik man si Senator Lacson na chairman, personal observation, opinion ko lang ito, wala na akong tiwala sa kanya. Hindi katulad noon na abot langit ang aking paghanga. Dahil nga sa tagal niya na niyang panahon as senator na lumalaban against dyan sa mga budget insertion, against sa corruption, napakaganda yung simula ng karir niya as a senator. Ito lang, nagbago lang nung lumabas ang isang Master Sergeant Orly Gutesa na itinuturo si Saldico at Romualdez. Yun na, nagbago na ang ihip ng hangin. Nakakapagtaka, wala na yung dating Lacson na hinangaan ko. Ito na ngayon na iba. Nakakalungkot. But tingnan natin anong mangyari in the coming weeks. Malalaman na natin next week kung sino ba talaga ang maging Blue Ribbon Committee chairman. But wala na akong interest na manood sa kanilang mga hearing dahil mayroon ng pagdududa. Okay. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Sa ngayon, namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako para ito namang kababayan nating mahirap na katutubo ay makapagpatayo ng mas maayos na tahanan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Tango na gyud ni kuya ang iyang atop nga trapalang. Tagaan na siya og yero.